Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos using Molo wrapper easy method. Start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees F and prepping a baking sheet with parchment. Arrange chips in a single layer and sprinkle a base of shredded cheese so toppings stick. Add cooked seasoned meat, beans, and jalapenos in balanced spots. Bake briefly until cheese bubbles, then finish with fresh cilantro, lime juice, and a drizzle of sour cream. Make your nachos reliable by thinking in layers and balance while you build. Start with a modest amount of cheese on each chip to hold toppings without overwhelming crunch. Scatter hearty items like cooked meat or beans first, then add lighter cheeses and peppers for melt and color. Keep delicate ingredients like avocado and cilantro back until after baking. This approach keeps chips crisp, toppings distributed, and every bite satisfying and crisp. Timing and heat are the keys to perfectly melted but still crispy nachos, so use your oven as a partner. Slide the tray in and check at 6 minutes, then monitor every minute until cheese bubbles and edges brown lightly. Pull them early rather than late to avoid loss of crunch. After baking, add fresh elements like lime, cilantro, and a cool dollop of sour cream for contrast and a lively finish every time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.